join me? Okay, let's hop in! Kangaroo is an iconic Australian animal. Fun fact, did you know there are more kangaroos than people in Australia? Crazy, right? Are you ready? Yeah, let's go! So we are going to start by making the ear. Let's make a curve like this. Your turn. Got it? Alright, now let's make the other ear, okay? Now let's make a curve connecting them, okay? Alright. And now we can add the inner part of the ear. And the other one. Okay, now we are going to make the rest of the head, okay? Let's make a curve like this. And to the other side. Alright, now let's give it a chubby cheek. Got it? Okay, now we are going to make the hand, okay? So we are going to make a curve like this. Watch me. And now for the other hand, it's going to be just a short one, okay? Watch this. Alright, and now we can make the body, okay? We're going to make a line like this. Got it? Now let's make the leg, okay? So the kangaroo will be lifting this leg. So we will be able to see its paws, okay? Alright, and now let's draw an oval. Got it? Okay. Now let's draw some smaller ovals inside this, okay? And a medium-sized one. Looking good! And now we're going to connect the hand with this foot, okay? Got it? Well done! Now we are going to add the tail, okay? So we're going to make the tail over here. Alright, and now we can make the other leg, okay? Now the foot. Looking really good. Now a kangaroo needs a pouch, so let's add that. Now all that it needs just a face. So let's draw 2 circles as the eye. And I'm going to add 2 smaller circles inside each eye as the highlights. Alright, and now I'm going to make an oval as the nose. Cool! Let's add the mouth now. That's so cute! I think our kangaroo is done, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Let's go! That looks amazing! Thank you for joining me today. Remember, if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's okay. I'm sure it still looks awesome. Keep on practicing. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that we can draw again together. I hope you all have a nice day.